Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to switch out your consumables in the Canon imageRUNNER Advanced C2030. These steps also apply for the Canon imageRUNNER Advanced C2020. First we're going to start off with the toner cartridges and the laser drums. To replace those you're going to want to grab this handle right here and pull it down. It will reveal a compartment down here. The four drums will be located on top of the four cartridges below. To replace the cartridge, you're going to want to grab the handle, the blue handle right here, and pull it down. After that, it will reveal the cartridge. You're going to want to grab it and pull it out. Make sure to have a towel under the cartridge, as there will be toner that might fall out everywhere, as you can see right there. Once you have the new toner cartridge, you're going to want to reinsert it until it locks in. After that, you're going to want to close the cartridge door. To replace the drum, you're going to want to pull down on this lock right here until it snaps down. It will tell you which drum it is. This is the cyan drum. You're going to want to grab this small handle right here and pull it backwards until it clicks out, and you'll be able to replace it. Once you got your new drum, you're going to want to reinsert it and then snap this lever back up. Once you have finished replacing the consumables, you can close the door. Now, if you want to check your consumable statuses, you can click on the status monitor / cancel button. This will give you a log of all your print jobs, and then you're going to want to click on consumables. This will show you the paper status for the trays, and it will tell you information regarding your toner. It will also tell you information about your waste toner and your staples. Staples are also another consumable. To replace them, you're going to want to open this door. You're going to want to open it. You'll swing out. You're going to want to grab the green handle, lift it, and then pull it out. After which you can replace it with more staples, and then slide it back in and push down to lock. You also have instructions on the side right here. Finally, another consumable you will have to replace periodically is the waste toner. Your waste toner is located at the rear of the Canon imageRUNNER Advanced. You're going to want to look for the notch right here and push it out. You'll find the waste toner inside. You just need to empty it out. Make sure to empty out in a trash bag, as toner can get messy. Some other consumables you may also have to replace is the fuser, the paper fuser. To replace the fuser, you're going to want to slide the machine out from there. Yeah. You're going to want to grab this handle right here and pull it out. Alright. And then you'll see this diffuser right here. Make sure to, if you're replacing it, be aware that it can heat up. It will heat up, so make sure to let it sit for a while after processing the print job. So to remove it, just gotta slide it out like this. Grab it with two hands. You'll be able to replace it. Once you're done, grab your new fuser, slide it right in until it clicks. And once you're finished, you can close the side door. Your bypass door might come out as well, so you can also close that. When you're done, you can just close. You can turn the printer around again, and then you can slide it right back in to the area. Make sure to be careful though, because this is a heavy machine. It weighs like around 200-300 pounds. And there you go. That's how you replace the consumables. Please note, if you're replacing things such as the fuser, make sure to power off the machine. To power off the machine fully, you don't want to press this power button. That's just the sleep button. Instead, you're going to want to go down here where it says main power and flip the switch. Once you flip that, it'll say system shutdown progress. That's how you switch out the consumables. If you have any questions, please shoot me in the comments.